All right, guys, check this out. You are looking at a custom fitted double cap teeth grill that we just had done for a customer. This is 10K white gold. Covers 2 teeth. Now it also has the single CZ stone on one of the 2 teeth there. All right, and it is cubic zirconia, that one. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. This is custom fitted for a perfect fit. All right, well, there it is, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Get your custom grills online. Check the link in the description. It takes you right to the product page. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.